going to show you how to make banana bread. Preheat your oven to gas mark 4 and line 2 loaf tins with baking paper. The ingredients you'll need are 3 overripe bananas, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 120 grams of light brown sugar, 2 medium eggs, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 80 grams of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So to begin, you're going to want to peel and mash your bananas. So you never know what a banana's going to be like on the inside. Sometimes the brown ones are absolutely perfect to eat as normal. So if you chop them up like that with your hand. Overripe bananas make the best banana bread because the natural sweetness comes out of them. So I've got a fork here and I'm going to just mash it up until it's a smooth consistency. Now I'm going to put them to the side. So I've got my butter and my brown sugar. I'm going to add it to a large mixing bowl and I'm going to cream them together until it's smooth. So now I'm going to be adding 1 egg at a time. Second egg in. Now you're going to want to add in your banana mixture with the teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now onto the flour mixture. Get your bowl of flour, add in your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once that's well combined, we're going to add it to our wet mix. So you want to mix it until you get no lumps and you have a smooth batter. Finally, you're going to want to add in your yogurt. Give it a really good mix. Now you have your perfect mixture. Pour it into 2 loaf tins and wait for 65 minutes. So the time's up now. I'm going to get them out of the oven and have a look. Now I'm going to take them out of the loaf tin and put them onto a cooling rack for 10 minutes.